have insurance. Well, no, I don't. Here's a S4, an E-Tron GT driving. E-Tron GT has a lane departure assist, but it had a malfunction. Goes into his lane, boom, hits the car, flips over, catches on fire because it's a E-Tron, so it's all electric. It's a piece of shit. S4, I don't know, it came from the factory like a piece of shit, so he just kept going because he ain't got no insurance because he's from Miami. Came back, oh yeah, I did that. He just leaves.
Hey, what's up guys? We have this beautiful Golf R here. Very unfortunate happening here is the cam follower failure. You guys might heard of the famous FSI cam follower. So this car has an upgraded fuel pump. It's an APR, high pressure fuel pump with a bigger piston in it. And the fuel pump is putting more tension on the cam lobe and it gets the cam follower raised quicker. So you should check your cam follower if you have an upgraded high pressure fuel pump. Maybe every oil change. Just makes sense to just take a peek and it needs to be changed. Just throw another one in it. That's an expensive repair. Now we need the high pressure fuel pump or at least an upgraded internal to a new OEM pump. We need an intake cam. Mine as well. We're gonna do the timing change. We'll see how is the timing done. It's an extensive repair just for these two failing. That's gonna be starting next week. The Golf R, so it has a different cam as the GTI does. Pump is basically the same. We're gonna upgrade it with the Autotech internals. This car was involved in an accident. It was having some boost leaks, some boost issues. Replaced charge pipes as the front end was done. Charge pipes were cracked, either the one in the throttle body and the other one that comes from the turbo was also damaged down there. Change the charge pipes on this and put a couple of things on the list that is not complete. It's fender liners, minor stuff, but just to get back on the road after got rebuilt, got the front end painted, new headlights. It's done by somebody else, we didn't do that then. We have the Mach 5 R32, changed the motor in there. It's one of our friends in Braniff. Braniff is the biggest Miami Volkswagen junkyard you can find. Check it out if you need any used parts. Or Volkswagen or Audi, sure they can help you out. That's their car. I got the engine replaced, was hydrolocked, got a replacement engine. The new engine has about 40,000 miles, which is pretty good. Got that running already. Car is from New Jersey, so it has some rust. Changed the spindles, doing a tie rod and some rear calipers. Need to bring it back in life. It's been standing for a couple of years. Cool car. Go to Braniff. Buy Volkswagen parts from Braniff. They're really good guys. They can help you out with any parts. Alright, let's see what we do. 93 Corrado, VR6, hot stock, really good condition. The same car actually, you guys seen the movie Gran Turismo? The father of the guy has this car, and if you guys remember the scene where the first time the movie starts, they're driving this car, the kid takes it from home. It's pretty cool that we have it here. It's in pretty good shape. Changed the crank sensor, has some electrical issues. Previously we did brakes, suspension, a whole bunch of things being done on this car. It's in really good shape. The guy likes it. He always wanted a Corrado. Since he had a Corrado but burned down like in the early 2000s, it caught on fire. In the morning when he woke up, the car was gone. It was all destroyed. So he got this car, getting it back to shape so he can use it. We've been working on this little by little. And Q5, it got some water damage right here. Sunroof drain or the moonroof drain. It's such a nice design that the water, if the drain gets clogged, goes on the body control module, and the connectors get rusted and corroded. You see, they break down, they break in pieces, and then they get corroded, and then they have connection faults and all kinds of issues. So just rewire this. Then it needs to be programmed, but can be done with ODIS. We do ODIS services. We program any component protection parts. We do keys, ECUs. That's also a thing what we can help you with. The wires get rusted, corroded. This wire is about to come apart and have an issue. So we just changed them all. On your connectors, all the Q5s actually having this issue. The dealer and insurance are totaling the cars because of this problem. It's a major electrical fault, what it can cause, and it's not easy to fix, but we can help you with that, no problem. Q7 3.0 TDI, it's pretty dead right here. It's probably the most favorite motor for Europe. We don't have many of these. Alternator is going out, broke the belt, car broke down, got it towed in. I got a new alternator on the way. She kind of need the car as soon as possible. She works with it, so it's gonna be a 1 day in and out alternator replacement. Not the easiest job, it's right there on the bottom. But yeah, we can get it done. Thanks for following, and this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.